Okay friends, I was so happy with how this pizza turned out using a burrito tortilla shell. I decided to make a Hamwich using one. This is how it turned out. Pretty happy with how it turned out. It was a lot faster and easier. That being said, I know it's not going to be better. The bottom even looks good. If I can lift it up without messing anything up. Look how good it looks. Not even too crispy. Boy, it's going to be so good. All my little shortcuts, I'm loving it. Oh, how good is this? Oh, yummy. It's going to be delicious. Guys, I did not realize how good this was actually going to be. A Hamwich using tortilla shells. You have to try this. Let me know down in the comments how it turned out for you. I loved it.